Yeah, so my name's Nick Sellen, and our business is Adventive Ltd. My partner, Charlotte Groves, both of us run the business. The business is a software development company based in Barry, and the idea is we're developing basically software products to really help local independent businesses. Really being my own boss, to be honest with you. So I've always liked basically having control in my own projects and exactly where I wanted to go. So I've worked a few jobs where I found kind of the hierarchy and the structure as it kind of stifles creativity, and it can do. So really kind of being your own boss and managing your own timescales. Biggest challenge to date is in fact managing your own time. Actually, yeah. So there's there's kind of a common thing that people think just because you work for yourself that you can kind of name your own hours and you can do what you like. But unfortunately, it's quite the opposite. I found I've worked more on my own business than I have in employment, really. So just managing my own time has probably been the biggest challenge. I'd say certainly don't lose confidence in what you're doing, but at the same time be wary that you don't fall in love with the solution. Very much look at the problem that you're trying to solve with what you're doing, but yeah, certainly don't give up, follow your dreams. Retired, can I say? No, I've got various products and project ideas, so literally I'd love to have a self-sustaining business, so a very successful business, which would free up time for me to pursue my other product ideas and projects as well. So watch this space.